Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how to unfreeze your Spaylater account in Shopee. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. So for step number 1 is to check the reason for the freeze. The most common reason for Spaylater being frozen is due to unpaid balances or late payments. Ensure you review your account to see if there's any outstanding balance. Other reasons could include security issues like a flagged suspicious transaction. Step 2 is to clear outstanding balances. If the freeze is due to an unpaid balance, you need to settle it first. So to do that, go to Me, then tap on Spaylater, and click on Unpaid section. Select your outstanding balance and make the payment through any of the available methods. For step number 3 is to check for late payment fees. After paying the balance, check if there are any late payment fees applied. Sometimes additional charges need to be cleared before unfreezing your account. Step number 4 is to contact Shopee support. Once the balance and any fees are settled, but the account is still frozen, contact Shopee's customer service. So to do that, here's how. Tap on Me, go to Shopee Help Center, tap on Chat with Shopee support, and explain your issue and provide relevant information like your payment confirmation and account details. And lastly is regularly monitor your Spaylater account. To avoid this situation in the future, always monitor your Spaylater due dates and settle balances before they are overdue. Set reminders if needed to stay on top of your payments. And there you go. That should help you regain access to Spaylater in Shopee. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!